Next step is, once you have the sample line, the next step is to create sections, section on each part. So now we go to the section views in same ribbon as previous one, and say create multiple views. We want to create all the views. Okay, so once you choose that one, a screen pops up and you can name again the section which has been already selected, automatic from start to end. And you select these all and name your section like whatever you want to name. I would say, okay, tutorial section. Okay, so naming is very important. This I will explain in later videos again. So section placement, you can place your section wherever you want. The production template you can choose. I just keep it as like A1. Okay, these are default and you can create your own as well. Okay, so and then again go to the offset range. We see 30 to 30, no problem. Elevation range, it varies for each section, it will be different. Okay, and the section display, we have only two options, and just keep it like that. And data bands, we will not offset only, we will say okay, standard. Okay, or measure offset station and elevations. Okay, so that it has existing elevation, design, finished ground levels and offsets. Okay, now we can say, okay, create section views. Again, it will ask you the location to create, so I will just put here. So everything is together, and in no time it will create all your sections. Okay, from beginning to start. You can see here the sections has been created. These are at 0 0. This is it's like this. Okay, so it's 20, 40, each 20-meter interval. It has already created sections. Okay, and it put in the A1 display as well. We'll see this in the later videos.